Welcome to Caddy Station. Today we are going to draw something which by using a sheet metal. Then we will see how to fold them or unfold them after making. So let's start. Go to new and part, and here I am going to select front plane, sketch. First of all, center rectangle from origin. Make a rectangle. Here I have selected millimeters. So this dimension is 200 and this one is 100. Now select line command. From here horizontal, and then now next is smart dimension or you can do first escape, select this line and make equal. Now smart dimension, here to here is 45 degrees and here to here also make it 45. Okay, now next is I am going to select a circle and make here a circle, or one more dimension from here to here is 50 mm. This one is of 20 mm. From here to here distance is 25. Okay, and it's on the center, so no problem. Now we are not going to use features, we are going to use sheet metal, and here we have to use base flange. Okay, or one more thing, we have to sketch trim entities, we have to trim these all. Okay, now try sheet metal, use flange, and now we are going to make a 2 mm sheet, and okay, now you can see this sheet metal is done. Now we have to make let's go to edge flange, from here to here and rotate it from here to here, and one more. Okay, done. And its dimension, make it of 30 mm. Control 7 for isometric, control 7. Okay, make it of 50 mm. Yeah, it's look good, 50 mm. And okay, now you can see there is a gap. For this we are going to add this flange and reduce its radius, make it of 0.5, and now try this. You can see it reduces and it's okay, it will cut here, or you can change it by here. Here, now you can see it's going to be outside. Now the next thing is we are going to edit flange here to edge flange, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, and this one is of 20 mm. Here also use 0.5 mm, and let's see. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now we are going to make holes here. Select this face, sketch, control 8 to take it to normal. Now circle, find the midpoint. Okay, make 1 and 2. Now escape and select these two circles and make a relation equal. Now smart dimension, this one is also going to be 20, or you can make it of 24 mm. From here to here distance, make it of 50. Okay, from here to here make it of 25, and check it's in the center or not. Yeah, it's in center, 25. Okay, now control 7 to take it to isometric view, and now features, extrude cut you can do from here, or you can do, yeah, you can only do from here, extrude cut through all. And okay, now it's done. You have to make here. For this, select this face, sketch, control 7, control A to take it to normal again. Okay, now one circle, find the midpoint. Okay, let me check where it's going. Okay, one more thing, we have select the wrong face. We have to select this face, sketch, control 8. Now it's going to be show the midpoint. Yeah, you can see it's showing one circle, second circle, escape, and equal. Or you can try to make circles here also, and that's the midpoint. Find the midpoint, and it's a make two circles again. Select these two and make them equal. Now you have to mention only one dimension here, and it's going to be 10 mm. From here to here it's 20 mm. From here to here is 20 mm. You can mention dimensions here, or you can simply give relation, but I'm going to mention the dimension 20, and here to here is 20. And okay, features, control 7 for isometric and extrude cut. We are going to extrude cut up to 30. You can just cross this height, you can decrease it. I'm going to 10 mm. Okay, now okay, now we are going to give them some appearance. You can do from here, or you can go to appearance, metal or iron. Where is iron? Here's the iron, and you can select this one, or there is also one more. Go to first, select the iron and this one. Now go to appearance and select this, or go to grayscale. Okay, now you can see it's done. Now you can one more thing, we are going to show you this flatten feature. What it will do, it will unbend all the bends. That means here's one bend, two bend, and same here 3 and 4 bends. If I click on this, it will open these all, and you can take the dimensions here if you are going to make something using bend feature. And if you again click on this, it will bend them. So it's a very good feature which will help you to measure the metal or sheet you are going to use. Okay, hope you will understand the tutorial. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you.